I anticipated that corruption is widespread. But now that I've been going around the country, I've never expected that it is just so deeply entrenched. The magnitude is unbelievable. The magnitude is incredible. Corruption has already become a cottage industry, a livelihood program. Sa dami ng pinuntahan namin mga projects, wala ni isa kaming nakitang maayos. And these are in hundreds of millions of pesos. Ibig sabihin yan, it has become so systemic, highly organized, highly syndicated. Nakakalungkot isipin. And please, let us not allow this passion to address corruption short-lived. It should be a long-term engagement. Huwag po natin pabayaan na nakawin nila ang kinabukasan ng ating mga kabataan. Huwag natin pabayaan na nakawin nila ang kinabukasan ng ating bayan. And sometimes in my private moments, I weep because I've never seen this kind of corruption. Pero believe me, this is something very, very different. I can only bow my head and express my frustration. It's a sacrifice. Sometimes I think the safety of my family. Napakahirap labanan ang corruption dahil lagi na lang may mga taong wala nang ginawa kundi mamulitika at sirain pa yung ating reputasyon. Ganyan na kagago ang sistema natin dito. Nakikipaglaban na tayo araw-araw, sacrificing our safety, sacrificing our life, pero may mga tao pa dyan na walang konsensya, na walang ginawa kundi puro na lang politiko ang pag-iisip. Kasi dumi ng kanilang mga konsensya. They're no different from these very powerful people who continue to destroy our nation.